Welcome to Datagrids Invite User and User Groups tutorial. To invite a new user to your account, simply follow these steps. Hover over Access Control in the main menu on the left and click on Invite User. In the Send Invitation to text area, enter the Google account of the user you wish to invite, as we currently only support Google accounts. From the Assigned License drop-down menu, select an available license to issue to your new invitee. Choose whether you want this new user to be an administrator by selecting Yes or No, then click Send. This action will trigger an email containing a link to assign the user to your account. To create and manage user groups, follow these instructions. Hover over Access Control on the left and click on User Groups. User groups are utilized to assign specific permissions and access levels within your account, enhancing access control. Each line displays user groups created in your account. The check marks on the left will activate the green buttons below to edit, enable, disable, or delete user groups. To create a new user group, click the green button on the bottom left. In the new user group form, provide a title and a description, add group members, then select resources and specify the access level for the group. Once completed, click Save or Save and Close to finalize the process. Congratulations! Your new user group has been successfully created. Thank you for exploring Datagrid's Invite User and User Groups tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and updates on Datagrid's powerful features.